Hey guys, today we are making Paneer Butter Masala. And My name is Nishant, and my friend name is Nikhil. So we are preparing Paneer Butter Masala with simple recipe. In between there might be Telugu words. Just just don't feel interrupted, but it's clear you will get the recipe today.
We are gonna do is we are just gonna grind this onion into paste. So I dice this onions into small pieces, enough to make it grind, and then later after grinding it, this will be turning into a paste. Then we'll be frying that in this pan, and meanwhile what we'll be doing to save time is we'll be uh, boiling tomatoes in this cooker, and also we'll boil cashew nuts with uh, cashew nuts with these tomatoes, and then we'll make a puree out of it, and then we'll mix both the onion paste and tomato paste together, so we can get a thick creamy gravy. The next process goes next.
For added spicy, I just added some salt and mirchi powder to raw paneer. We can just dip this in fried ghee or butter to make it soft.
Onion paste is ready here, and meanwhile we are just roasting basin powder. It will add some good texture to the gravy. This will give nice creaminess. Then later we will be frying onions. So here we have added a few spices. This is
Cardamom.
cinnamon, and this is star anise. This will give a good flavor. So right now we are adding onion, and this will slowly caramelize. We have to give some time for the onions to caramelize. If this paste turn into golden brown, and then later after it turns golden brown, we'll be adding basin powder.
But for audience, when they think of paneer butter masala, it will be in red color, right? Orange. When it will come?
So that comes when we add tomatoes. So
Okay.
tomatoes and
And
cashew,
mirchi
that
powder.
will give the creamy and red color essence to the curry.
We forgot to add jeera. Now we added. It is some kind of North Indian style. We want to add jeera, so
So onion turned into golden brown, and we are adding the previously roasted basin here, and we are gonna roast it more for some more time, so the oil releases from the onion, and it will fry the basin too.
we kept the paneer in microwave oven for 3 minutes to make it soft. Actually, it is fried and stirred in oil for just 2 minutes to make it soft. But it as a easier recipe for paneer butter masala, we made it microwave for 3 minutes.
So here we made a paste out of tomato and cashews, so this turns out to be like this. Now we are just pouring this whole paste into the pan.
So we added chili powder and salt to the boiling paste. We added a little bit garam masala also, and kept the lid for 15 minutes. We added paneer 10 minutes back. So I think its curry is ready. Let's see. Yeah, it got so thicker. I don't know why it got so thicker. There must be a way. Like we missed butter actually. Like we got oil spread, It's like a butter spread only. Um, but if butter is real butter is there, that will be so awesome. Anyways, it's good now. So it's ready to eat.